Data breaches occur today because we're still using the same technology we've used for years. But what's different is our data is no longer behind the firewall perimeter. Our data is moving around. Our data is in mobile devices. Our data is in the cloud.
There hasn't been a lot of focus to date on the data itself and how do I protect that data and keep it from either rogue employees getting their hands on it or from folks outside of an organization getting their hands on it.
It has been mainly using SSL and TLS to encrypt and decrypt data over the transport layer while the data is in transit. Once it's out of that transit layer, the data is not encrypted anymore.
Data breaches to organizations occur in lots of different ways. Either you have an internal employee who gets their hands on data they shouldn't, or you have an external hacker that finds their way into an organization, or maybe they intercept as a man in the middle communications between two employees. After that, you have some realization that some information has been stolen. If it's personal information or banking information, usually that gets out there by way of identity theft. If it's corporate IP type of information, next thing you know, a competing company has a similar product or a competing product that does a lot of what yours does.
Starting with protecting data at rest is a great first start, but really the industry needs a more holistic solution, end-to-end data protection. There's not a single person that doesn't use computers or use their phone for mobile banking that isn't asking the question, well, is my data secure?
CENTRI's flagship product is called BitSmart, and the solution essentially combines two powerful technologies such as data optimization and data encryption into one cohesive blended solution. CENTRI offers two modes of operations within its BitSmart product. Number one, we offer a FIPS 140-2 mode of operation to meet the government standards. And the second is our own proprietary cipher that essentially provides faster and stronger encryption than the government provides.
The technology is much faster than open source alternatives. It uses significantly less resources than the open source alternatives, and it's really more holistic. It looks at the data byte by byte, and we can guarantee our customers that it's as efficient and as secure as possible.
Most encryption technologies out there use block ciphers with its pros and cons. Stream ciphers, on the other end, they're faster. They can be integrated smoothly in an encryption technology that uses data optimization. And number three, they simply have lower latency.
Traditional technologies out there take multiple back and forth requests between two endpoints to establish that secure communication. CENTRI's BitSmart takes only one round trip.
BitSmart's primary advantage in the marketplace is we begin by authenticating the endpoint device. We know that the device is legitimate before user ID and password is provided. That's unique in the architecture. We then deal with any of the data that's stored on the device. We can encrypt it such that if somebody was to steal your mobile phone, for example, the information that we're protecting is useless.
We're focused on the data, no matter where it is, whether it's in your company or outside your company, in transit between 2 points or stored at one or the other of the locations.
So in essence, BitSmart offers a lightweight technology that is perfect for the Internet of Things.
Typical company can deploy this within days, not weeks, not months, and certainly not with massive upgrade of their infrastructure. It's a software solution that can go into the existing application set. It can be installed in virtual environments like cloud. It can be installed in physical environments, and it can protect systems without a lot of change. It's really incredibly advanced technology, but a simple deployment model. And it gives customers and companies a sense of peace that they're now protecting their data no matter where it sits.